In today's video, I will be sharing with you all an impulsive, or let's call it an accidental purchase. Your girl lost some screws to my sewing machine. Welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Sewist. It's your girl, Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. If this is your first time clicking on my video, I hope that you consider sticking around by subscribing to my channel. If you like any and everything about sewing, from pattern hauls, thrift hauls, fabric hauls, me-made reveals, behind the scenes, and just seeing what your girl got going on in her sewing room, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any sewing content or pattern or fabric sale announcement. All right, everyone. Welcome new subscribers to the channel. I'm so glad that you all decided to join the channel. Thank you all so much. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all an impulsive, or let's call it an accidental purchase. Your girl lost some screws to my sewing machine. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all an impulsive, or let's call it an accidental purchase. Your girl lost some screws to my sewing machine and I couldn't find them. And when I did, I guess it was a lapse in judgment. I don't know what you want to call this situation, but I'm sharing it with you all anyway. I thought I needed some sewing screws for my sewing machine. However, your girl did not need them. Let me show y'all my journey. Let me know if any of you all have actually made a unexpected or a impulsive purchase, thinking that you really needed that particular item, but you did not, and you decide to just keep it anyway because you may need it in the near future. Let's get into the content. Okay, for this one, you're going to grab your screwdriver. Y'all see that? Y'all, I think I grabbed it for the wrong one. I didn't need it for the needle plate. Y'all see those? Y'all know what, ain't nothing wrong with my sewing machine. I gotta send these back. Because I said for the needle plate, and I have those. You ever had that moment? Oh, man. All right, everybody. As you noticed, I don't need my needle plate screws. They weren't missing after all. It was one of them days. It was one of them days, y'all. I overlooked and I'm thinking that, oh, let me show y'all actually what I thought. Where I thought my screws were missing. Could be like, Denise, really? Could be like, Denise, you did? Yeah, y'all. It's been a week. It's been a week. Let me show you. Maybe you can learn from my mistake. Maybe this is one of these moments where I'm the only one that this happens to. You see my needle plate? It's here. It has its screws. Now, your girl was referring to, I got to show y'all. I'll get y'all close up. Hold on. Get you a close up. So you see that there look like there's a screw missing there? And there's one missing there? Actually, y'all, I'm not missing screws right there. Wow. I will show you all where I purchased the sewing replacement screws. Hey everyone, let me show you all where I ended up purchasing my screws for my needle plate replacement that your girl ended up not having to use, but I have them for future use. Here we go. You will go to sewingpartsonline.com. Type that into your search engine. I use Google. It says shop your machine. Find parts, feet, needles, and more. You go to select the brand. And I am choosing, I have a Singer Simple. So you will go down here. I'm going to do a Singer. The model number, you input that. It's a 3037. Singer. Let's see, can we find it here? There we go, coming up. The Singer Simple. 3337 is right there. So I select that. And it will ask me to search all parts. Let's say I'm looking for screws a screw. You click on it and you stroll over here to search. All right, these parts and accessories are guaranteed to fit your Singer 3337 simple sewing machine. And it's my sewing machine, Singer 3337 simple sewing machine. So here we go. The screws I ended up purchasing, I believe it was these, y'all, $2.99. And you can just click on it. It gives you the retail price, which is like $3.99. With them, you get it for $2.99. You can add as many as you would need. It tells you that it's guaranteed, gives you the number for your sewing machine, and it also gives you what is guaranteed to fit. So I have the Singer Simple 3337 video. If this video have saved you from purchasing the incorrect screws from your local hardware store, like your girl almost did. I almost Googled it, and I did Google it and go to Lowe's to see could I find the screws for my sewing machine. However, I decided to save myself the frustration and save myself some gas money at the same time. And I went online to sewingpartsonline.com and I found the exact screws that will match my Singer Simple 3337. I hope this video is helpful for you. My motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewist. Hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up, like, and share so others can get in on the sales as well, and so that you all do not miss any sewing content or any pattern or fabric sales announcement. Thank you all so much in advance for watching, liking, sharing, and commenting. Have an amazing day, night, weekend, or whatever time you're watching my video. Your girl Denise the Sloth Sewist will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye!